There is a certain kind of Franklin buyer who does not want the obvious choice. They're not trying to be in the busiest neighborhood. They're not looking for the most talked about community just because everyone else is saying the name. They want a beautiful home, a little breathing room, strong access to Brentwood and Cool Springs, and a setting that feels calm when they pull into the driveway. And that's where Lookaway Farms starts to make sense. Lookaway Farms is a luxury neighborhood in Franklin, Tennessee, near the Brentwood side of Williamson County. It gives buyers newer custom-style homes, generous lots, rolling land, and green space without feeling disconnected from the places people actually use every week. Cool Springs, Brentwood, Franklin, I-65, and Nashville. This is not Westhaven, where the lifestyle is centered around walkability, restaurants, events, and a town center feel. It's not Governor's Club, where the identity is gated golf country club living. It's not Rosebrooke, where newer Brentwood luxury comes with a more built-out amenity package. Lookaway Farms has a quieter personality. It feels polished, but not loud. It feels upscale, but not overly staged. And for a buyer who wants newer luxury without feeling boxed in, that can be a very good fit. I'm Erika Kurre with the Living in Nashville channel, and I help buyers and sellers in Middle Tennessee make informed real estate decisions. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. A lot of my clients are relocating into Williamson County or moving up locally from a home that used to work but just doesn't fit anymore. They're comparing Franklin, Brentwood, Nolensville, College Grove, and sometimes Nashville, and they're trying to figure out where the smartest move actually is. Lookaway Farms is one of those neighborhoods where the answer is not just in the listing photos. The pretty part is easy. You can see the large kitchens, sculleries, covered porches, statement lighting, wide lawns, and clean exterior lines online. What you cannot always see from a screen is how the house sits on the lot, how private the backyard feels, how the floor plan works for daily life, and whether the location really fits your week. And that is the part I pay attention to. Lookaway Farms sits in Franklin's 37067 zip code, close to Clovercroft Road and the Franklin-Brentwood side of the county. And that location is one of the reasons buyers notice it. You're not in downtown Franklin. You're not buying a walk-to coffee lifestyle. You're choosing a quieter luxury neighborhood with practical access to the parts of Williamson County that matter for work, school, errands, sports, dinners, and the airport. The neighborhood has wide streets, larger lots, rolling land, and a large amount of green space. And that's the character of Lookaway Farms. It's got a modern vibe, inside and out. The homes don't feel like they were squeezed onto the land just to maximize count. There is more space around them, more visual breathing room, and more of that open Franklin feeling buyers often hope to find. And this matters because many buyers move here expecting space. Then they tour newer construction and realize that not every luxury home comes with the kind of yard or separation they pictured. Lookaway Farms usually speaks to the buyer who wants the home to feel substantial from the street and comfortable in the back. This is a partners in building home and community, and the homes have more of a custom luxury feel than a basic production neighborhood. You'll see larger floor plans, main level primary suites, guest suites, home offices, sculleries, bonus rooms, covered outdoor spaces, and layouts designed for families who need a home to work hard for them. That last part matters too. A luxury home can look impressive and still live awkwardly. A kitchen can be gorgeous, but too far from the places where people actually gather. A bonus room can be big but poorly placed. A backyard can photograph beautifully, but still feel exposed when you stand there at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And when I walk Lookaway Farms with buyers, I'm looking beyond the finishes. I'm looking at the light, the slope of the yard, the way the home connects to the outdoor living, where the guest room sits, how the office feels, and whether the floor plan still makes sense 5 or 10 years from now. Those details protect you. Lookaway Farms sells in Franklin's luxury price range. Many homes sell in the high millions to the 2 million plus range. Some can reach higher depending on the size, lot, upgrades, pool potential, outdoor living, and overall placement in the neighborhood. I don't want to turn this into a spreadsheet tour because averages alone do not tell you enough in a neighborhood like this, but one home may deserve a premium because the lot's stronger, the upgrades are better, the outdoor living is already done, or the floor plan is just more timeless. Another home may look like the better deal online, but feel weaker in person because the yard, the privacy, the layout just do not support the price. And that's why buyers need interpretation, not just information. Information tells you the price, square footage, bedroom count, and a few pretty photos. Interpretation tells you whether the whole property is actually a smart buy. Schools are another reason buyers pay a lot of attention to this part of Franklin. Lookaway Farms is currently zoned with Clovercroft Elementary, Woodland Middle, and Ravenwood High School. Zoning should always be verified before you buy because they can change here in Williamson County, but Ravenwood zoning is one of the reasons this Franklin and Brentwood area just gets so much attention. For many families, the school path matters, but it shouldn't be the only reason you buy a home. You still need to think about your real commute, your children's activities, how often you're in Brentwood or Cool Springs, how often you go downtown, and whether this exact location fits the way your household actually moves through the week. A house can feel perfect on a Sunday afternoon showing and still make Tuesday morning harder than it needs to be. And Tuesday morning has a very honest personality. One reason I like Lookaway Farms, though, is that it gives buyers a different option from the more predictable luxury choices in Williamson County. Westhaven gives you walkability and a very active neighborhood lifestyle. Governor's Club gives you the gate, the golf course, the country club name. Rosebrooke gives you newer Brentwood luxury with more built-in amenities. College Grove and Leiper's Fork can give you more land and a more rural estate feel. Lookaway Farms, though, sits in a different lane. It gives you Franklin luxury, newer homes, generous lots, green space, and convenience without making the amenities the entire identity of the neighborhood. Some buyers want everything happening around them. Other buyers want to come home and feel their shoulders drop. Lookaway Farms is more for that second buyer. It's not the right fit for everyone. If you want to walk to restaurants, this is not the neighborhood. If you want a clubhouse, a pool, a social calendar doing half the work for you, this may feel too quiet. If your goal is the lowest possible price per square foot in Franklin, I would start somewhere else. But if you want a newer Franklin luxury home with space, a calmer setting, green views, and access to Brentwood and Cool Springs, Lookaway Farms deserves a serious look. The key is choosing the right home inside the neighborhood. Some lots are stronger than others. Some floor plans will age better. Some backyards feel more private. Some homes will be easier to resell because they check the right boxes for future buyers. And some homes just simply look better online than they feel in person. Rude, but true. That is why I never want buyers to say, we like the neighborhood, so any home here is fine. That's where expensive mistakes happen. The neighborhood matters, but the specific property matters just as much. You need to know what you're gaining, what you're giving up, and how that home compares to other luxury options in Franklin, Brentwood, Nolensville, and College Grove. From a distance, Williamson County can look like one big collection of beautiful suburbs. Locally, the neighborhoods feel very different. The internet can show you the house, but it can't always explain the fit. And that's where I come in. So if Lookaway Farms is on your list or you're comparing Franklin and Brentwood luxury neighborhoods and trying to decide where your family actually belongs, do not start by chasing every listing that looks pretty. Start with a strategy. The smartest luxury buy is not always the biggest house, the newest house, or the most talked about neighborhood. It's the home that fits your lifestyle, your schedule, your budget, and your long-term plan. And that's what I help my clients figure out before we ever step inside a home. If you're serious about making a move in Franklin, Brentwood, Nolensville, or anywhere in Middle Tennessee, the fastest way to start is to fill out the type form linked in the description and schedule a one-on-one Zoom call with me. We'll talk through where you are now, where you want to be, and which neighborhoods truly make sense before you spend every weekend driving all over Williamson County trying to piece it together on your own.